Hello guys, today is Monday. I've got the day off, so I thought I will do something with the bikes. So what I've been doing today is I've been to the bearing shops to order some new bearings for the swinging arm pivot bolt and some new bearings and seals for the dog leg bracket things, fucking dog bones. I've also gone and got a few 7mm Allen keys because I'm going to try and fabricate a tool to get these bloody cap heads out of that fucking bandit's head. So I thought if I get a few of these, then I can butcher one of them and try and stick it into a socket or something and do it that way. So that's that. And I've also brought home Hooligan's exhaust because that needs welding. One of the flanges has obviously snapped off. As you can see, it's that one there that it's actually on. Number 4, is it? Or 1? It's either 1 or 4, anyway. So, what I've done is, as well, is I've brought the oil cooler, because that's obviously not a standard one. And them braided hoses, they got bits of metal sticking out, so when you grab hold of them, they stick into you. Fucking kills. So I'm going to get well, not a brand new one, but I'm going to get another oil cooler and all the lines and the bolts for the Bandit. That's the shock absorber off Hooligan, and all I've done is just, it still looks shit, but I'll just give it a quick wash just to get most of the rubbish off. And there's Hooligan's front end. Stiff as hell. It took me ages to fucking drag that up in the garden because the wheel barely turns. Well, as you can see, look, we're on a slope and it's just resting against that bloody blue barrel and it's not going anywhere. And then that's Hooligan's back wheel. So what I'm going to do is, obviously, I'm not going to use that tyre because that tyre's knackered. As you can see, there's a massive crack on the side wall there and up there. But if it blows up, what I'll do is I will just keep it to move the bike around when I put it back together. I'm going to clean this wheel and I'm going to clean the front end. Now what they've done as well is they've painted the bloody wheels the same as the fucking frame with that stupid fucking tar stuff. So what I'll do is I will take the rubber cush mounting things out and the sprocket and whatever, and I'll try and scrape some of that black shit off the wheels, and I'll do the same with that front end. So that's all I'm going to do today on my day off. So yeah, we will give it a go. So I'll be back soon. Right guys, so believe it or not, I've given it a wash. It was absolutely filthy and it still is a little bit filthy. I'm being mindful, trying not to keep any water in them bloody in here. But them seals are knackered anyway, so now seals are good at keeping dust out and shit out, but they're also good at keeping stuff in. That's full of water, so I need to bloody get that out, because I want to get this bloody Hooligan sort of like running. It's obviously it's not going on the road, but I want to get it running with the least amount of money as possible. So the next thing I want to do is try and get these bloody magnets out of here. So there's some magnets in here that were used for like a digital speedo type thing, and they've fucking idiots have glued them into them bloody cap head bolts that hold the disc on. So if you want to change the disc out, you're fucked, aren't you? But anyway, what I'm going to do is I've got a big magnet. I used to go magnet fishing in canals, so I've got a big magnet, and I've tried hooking that on and pulling them off, but they're obviously glued in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the blowtorch now and just warm that and just see if the glue will melt and the magnets will fall out then. So I'll give that a go and I'll come back to you. Right, there's always one in the bloody ant on my frigging thumb, look, trying to bite me. See it? Little shit, I don't know where that's come from. Right, there's always one. So I've warmed them up, and as you can see, the little magnets are there now, look. But that one's rusted in. So I need to just move these little magnets and try and do a bit more with that. But I've dropped my bloody magnet on top of that. So I need to get my magnet off there first. It's all these little jobs in it that just take the time. But anyway, back to it. So I'm cleaning the bits out, the bolts and so, you know, the axle bolts, stuff like that. And obviously you can see this here. That's what that bloody that's what having them little magnets in the disc bolts does. Because the disc bolts run so close to this bracket, you can see that the magnet has been gouging it away. Piss poor design, but anyway, that's what happens. Just thought I'd show you that. So I'm going to clean this now. Right, that's the back wheel done. It's all lovely and clean. Well, as clean as I'm going to get it. It's running free now. Nothing sticking. Before that wouldn't even spin round. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this front end. Might do it tomorrow or the day after or something. They've even done the fucking forks as well, haven't they? Jeez, they must have had a deal on that fucking shitty paint and just bought a fucking 1,000 litres of it. Anyway, I'll do this tomorrow and then I'll get back to you.